Dollylocks Professional Organic Liquid Shampoo, a rich and invigorating natural shampoo made with pure botanicals and organic coconut. Weightless and residue free, leaving your scalp feeling refreshed and dreadlocks squeaky clean. Hypoallergenic and pH balanced for gentle yet effective cleansing. It gently clarifies the hair while stimulating the scalp. It's great for all hair types, leaving behind nothing except healthy, happy, and strong hair. The main ingredient in our shampoo is distilled water. It helps to control frizz, adds shine, and will remove mineral buildup caused by hard water. It also contains saponified olive oil, coconut, castor bean, and almond oils. Saponification may sound like a scary word, but actually it's a natural process of changing a solid fat into a liquid soap. Not scary at all. To use this shampoo, you're going to wet your hair, gently pump it into your hand, maybe 4 or 5 times, and then just massage it through your scalp. You can also do the same thing for the ends of your dreadlocks and run it all the way through. I do recommend shampooing and rinsing and repeating this process 2 to 3 times, depending upon how often you wash your hair. It's available in tea tree spearmint, rosemary peppermint, Nag Champa, and coconut lime grapefruit.